Hello everyone. So in today's lecture, we are going to discuss attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, which is commonly known as ADHD. So I am Ms. Radhika Sahu, Assistant Professor of Psychology, School of Arts, Humanities and Social Sciences. Today, we are going to discuss the most commonly known psychological disorder, that is ADHD. It is one of the most common neurodevelopmental disorder of childhood. It is usually first diagnosed in childhood and often lasts into adulthood. Children with ADHD may have trouble paying attention, controlling impulsive behavior, or be overly active. So basically, the people who suffer from ADHD can also live a normal life like other people, but they have some kind of trouble in doing the normal task. So like just paying attention to a particular thing. So we say now, where is your attention? Why are you not able to concentrate here? Some teachers complain when they are teaching in classroom that why are you not paying attention in the class? Why are you unable to pay attention in the class? So if the problem persists and the person cannot work upon it, and this problem is troubling the kid to learn, this is known as ADHD. Okay. So the primary feature of ADHD includes inattention and hyperactive impulsive behavior. So basically there are some symptoms which considers ADHD as a psychological disorder. First and the major symptom is inattention, and the next one is hyperactive impulse behavior. So these people or these kids or children are unable to sit in a particular place for long time. They are very hyper at doing particular tasks and play games, etc. ADHD symptoms can be mild, moderate, or severe as they continue to into childhood. There are three subtypes of ADHD, that is predominantly inactive, predominantly hyperactive, and combined also. So the majority of symptoms fall under inattention. And in second category, the majority of symptoms fall into hyperactive impulsives. And combined is the mix of inattention symptoms and hyperactive symptoms. Next is inattention. Inattention is failing to pay or to close attention to detailed or make careless mistakes in schoolwork, have trouble in staying focused, as I told you just now. Hyperactivity is unable to sit at a particular seat or unable to do a particular task for a long period of time. So this is what is called ADHD. This was a